No surprise, there's a huge crowd for today's game.
Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up.
It looks like they're hoping to flood the midfield with this 3-5-2 formation. And the away team have gone with this lineup. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Passed out wide then. They have the ball again. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Neymar shoots. Carlson with the save. Quality defending there. Can he get a shot in? And the referee has indicated a corner. Now, can they make something of this? And that's into the box. Surely now. And that's out for a goal kick. And their first shot of the day is off target. Forward from the keeper. To the keeper. Can he finish it? Shoots. Well-worked goal. Great finish. This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. It's with the striker. Striker's ball. Is this the moment? Neymar shoots. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. It's 2-0. Oh, he did really well there. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. And out for the throw-in. His teammates swarm him. And rightly so. Great stuff. Let's have a look at that one again. Goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. He's got the ball at his feet. Neymar. It's with the striker. Can he get a shot in? And this is a world-class finish. To see that goal again. It's now 4-0. Crossed inside. Half-time then. Will we get as much action in the second half? Let's get underway then with the second half. Mbappe. Neymar. Well timed and good defending. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, he must score. Neymar shoots. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's take another look at that.
gets the game going again. What a well-timed tackle. Using the width here. Keeper plays it short there. Oh, well-timed. Neymar shoots. Good defending. They've won it back. What a well-timed tackle. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get them. Ronaldo! Terrific save by Cos. And the manager's making a change here. And that one swung into the box. Target. Let's see that one again. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Well cut out. Good interception. They're appealing, but he's onside. Just the goalkeeper to beat now. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Stevens. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Ronaldo. That's good work by the defence, just offside. And the manager's making a change here. Winning, they need to defend well here. What a chance! And he hits it. Well taken goal. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. It's only a consolation, but he'll be pleased with that goal. Striker's ball. Well played. The shot's on. Neymar shoots. Carson with the save. Bullet. Oh, that was a real chance. Let's see how close that one was to going in. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Keeper sends it long, and the referee blows for full time. Big win for this team, and some great goals. The manager will be pleased. A real captain's performance today, exactly what the manager wanted.